Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class of Shahid Hussain High School. This is Rakibul Hassan, Assistant Teacher of Shahid Hussain High School, Farasar, Rural Union, Dhamrai, Dhaka. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah and follow the rules of health. I am also fine. I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina for taking these steps to continue his studies program. Especially thanks our most honorable Headmaster Abul Kalam Azad sir, as well as the President of School Management Committee of our school during COVID-19 coronavirus. Today, I would like to discuss about how to change assertive to interrogative. Now, I am writing today's our topics. Today's our topic transformation of sentence. Assertive to interrogative. Dear students, if the assertive sentence is affirmative with the word he is good at speaking. Here is the word of affirmative sentence. If I want to change it into interrogative, the interrogative will be negative interrogative. The sentence will be turned into negative interrogative. Isn't he good at speaking? Speaking. Now, I am giving another example of negative sentence with the verb. I have not got the message. Dear students, have not is the negative form of affirmative sentence. Here, have not. If we want to change it into interrogative, the sentence will be affirmative interrogative, as like as Dear students, I hope you have got the ideas how to change assertive to interrogative with be verbs, affirmative or negative sentence. Now I am going to the another part of action verb. Action verb. Replace cricket. Dear students, place is the main verb. That means action verb. He plays cricket. Here, place is main verb. And we can see yes with the main verb because the tense of the sentence is present indefinite and the subject is third person singular number. If we want to change it into Greek, we have to use doesn't. Doesn't. At first you have to use doesn't. Then subject. Then main verb. Then extension. Then question mark. Dear students, you have to mind it when you will change it, the yes or yes with the main verb will be omitted when you will change it into interrogative. I am writing another sentence. I hope it sorry I go to school regularly. Dear students, I go to school regularly. Here is action verb go. But you can see there is no any yes or yes with the action verb because the subject of the sentence is not third person singular number. If we want to change it into interrogative, we have to use at first don't. Sorry. Don't go. Don't I go to school regularly. Then question mark. You can ask me how you can change it. At first you have to use don't, then subject, then action verb, that will present form of the verb, then extension, then question mark. I hope you have got the point how to change assertive sentence with be verb to interrogative. I would like to start another part of action verb. If the tense of the sentence is past indefinite, if the tense of the assertive sentence is past indefinite, as like as Tania went home yesterday. Yesterday. Here, when is action verb and it is past form because the tense of the sentence is past indefinite. If we want to change it into interrogative, we have to use didn't at first, didn't, then subject Tanya, then action verb go, then extension home, yesterday. Dear students, can you say why I have used go instead of when? When you will change it, Tanya went home yesterday. The main verb will be turned into present form. That means V1 form. And at first you have to use didn't, then subject, then the action verb will be present form. Then the action verb will be present form. I hope you have got the point. Dear students, I hope you have all understood the point of changing assertive into interrogative. Now I am giving you some homework. Now I am giving you some homework. Homework. Computer is very essential for us. Number one, computer is very essential for us. You have to change it into interrogative. You have to change it into interrogative. It plays a very important part in our life. He He has not. Sorry. He has not got computer interrogative. You have to make it interrogative. Interrogative. Now I am writing another sentence of past indicative. They bought, sorry, they bought a car. Sorry, they bought a car. You have to change it in interrogative. This sentence you have to change it into interrogative, and this is your homework. I hope you will complete your homework as soon as possible. If you face any problem for changing this sentence into interrogative, you will call me. This is my number. This is my phone number 01759874267. Thank you, dear students. I hope you have got all the points to change assertive interrogative with be verbs and action verbs. Thank you very much.